Am I audible, students? Everybody need to confirm it. Okay. So now it's a time to see to move further. Today I'm going to discuss about the most important topic again. So where I'm going to talk about NUMPY linear algebra operations. NUMPY linear algebra operations. Okay. So let us start about linear algebra operations. So now I'm going to talk about what is this linear algebra operations basically and how these are going to come. And this is a linear algebra is the main important aspect to calculate the unknown quantities in unknown values in the equations. Like take an example. I'm just preparing it. You used to see in your schools and all those things. 2x plus 3y is equal to 4. Hello. Sit in the sit in the last. Don't disturb the people by coming late. Sit backside. Friend, friend, your friend. Sit there. When you come backside, already they are sitting. You are coming and disturbing that. So 2x plus 3y is equal to 4 and 6x plus 7y is equal to something like 9. Find x and y. Find x and y. These x and y values are what? Unknown. These x and y values are unknown. So this is called one kind of what? Linear equations we come across in linear algebra here. And how these are all called what? Without knowing anything, your teacher said first method, second method, third method, like that. They started telling to you. You also used in the same manner only. And finally, marks got it, memo received, and you forget also. Correct? That regular task it is completed. Now it is the time to see to move to the further. Now in this class, how to prepare them in a single stretch, I will tell you. In my class, number of boys, plus number of girls, number of boys plus number of girls is equal to some number will come. Some number. Some number will be there or not. So some number will be there. So 222 right now. So here I will write it. Number of boys plus number of girls is equal to 222 in online plus almost 120 in offline. So 322 I will write it. 342 I will write it. For example. Right. Next I'm going to take up for full stack Python 12,000 rupees boys paid. 12,000 rupees boys paid. 11,500 girls paid. 500 rupees concession for girls. Why? Because you are sincere. Is equal to some amount of rupees is coming. Some amount of rupees is coming. Right or not? Some amount of rupees will come or not. Find the number of boys and girls. Find the number of boys and girls. Are you following me? Find the number of boys and girls. It is known as what? Linear equation. Are you following me? Right. So this is called number of boys and number of girls is equal to number of boys are paid this much, number of girls are paid this much is equal to some value we got it. And find the number of boys and girls in the class. This is called what you know? Linear equations. Next, I'm going to write it. One more thing. Number of boys plus number of girls plus number of transgenders in the class is equal to something. So, number of boys paid some amount of rupees. Number of girls paid some amount of rupees. Number of amount of rupees paid by some transgenders is equal to something. And the concession some boys are getting, some concession some girls are getting, and some concession the boys are getting, girls are getting is equal to something. Find the number of boys and number of girls and number of transcenders. Is it not called three unknown variables or not? These kind of things are known as what type of equations? Linear algebra operations. Very, very simple. Take one shop. You are the manufacturer and seller of pen and pencils. So in a day, number of pencils available plus number of pens available is equal to that much. And the cost of the pens plus cost of the pencils is equal to that much. And find the number of pencils and the number of pens I sold out in a particular day. These are all called what equations? Linear equations. So in mathematical format that you have to come to know. And that is a dead easy also. Nothing is different. Are you following me now? Now, coming to how to go for calculating that linear algebra operations. What are the various linear algebra operations are available? So to perform such linear algebra operations, directly I'll tell you one function here. Solve function I can tell you. And to, students, the linear algebra operations to perform, there is one module is present, student. There is one module is present. To perform the random operations, what is the module name? Come on, random. Are you new student, ma? Are you new student? Today only came? Today. Only today what you will understand? Right. So, only today means very danger because already it was started before Pongal holidays only. So, if you come only today, it is a very danger and you will see only sound you can listen, subject you cannot understand. Of course, you can understand today because I am explaining systematically from beginning because every day one new topic is starting. So, why? Because if any new student comes, I fear a lot because student is always thinking not understanding they will feel. So if you are beginning onwards available, you will follow. Only now coming and that too you are not my Python student, that will give you all problems. So there is a module called what? LinALG. LinALG. Spell out. So stands for what? Linear algebra. This is a submodule inside of which module here? NUMPY. What is the fully qualified name of LINALG? NUMPY dot LinALG. Like NUMPY dot what already? NUMPY dot what already? Random. Random. Do you know random functions which are present in the random module? What is the first function? Randint. Next is called what? Randoff. Next is called what? Uniform. Next is randn. Next is called what? Normal. Next is called what? Choice. Next is called sample of. Next is called what? Permutation. Permutation. Iter permutations are different. Still it is pending. I did not upload that iter example. Will send you that. Are you following me? Like that, LinALG also contains some functions, students. Contains some functions. So we can perform the following operations. The following operations on on linear algebra. Linear algebra here. So if you are going to come across in where machine learning and deep learning in AI, wherever you come across linear algebra, these questions will be coming in front of you. Number one, you are going to get it dot. Already you know dot, you know. What is the use of dot? Perform the matrix multiplication. To perform the yes. So what why I am using dot here, you will come across. You will come across. Next dot. Next you are going to get inner of. Spell out inner of. Next you are going to get outer of. Next you are going to get outer of. Next fourth one you are getting it, getting it, det of, det, determinant. Do you know determinant? Ekada? 8th class, 9th class, 10th class. So you studied maybe in 4th class, 5th class. I studied in 8th class. You studied in 4th class? 8th class only? You also studied in 8th class. Okay. Remembered now? Remembered now? No. No, if you don't remember, I will explain. If you remember, I will ask questions. Remembered now? If you don't remember, I will explain. If you remembered, I will ask questions. Remembered, not remembered. Huh? ప్రస్తుతం మీ దగ్గరికి వస్తే ఇప్పుడు ఉంది మీకు ఇప్పుడు సెక్షన్ ఉంది, సపరేట్ సెక్షన్ ఈస్ దేర్. డెట్ ఐ విల్ గో ఫర్ వాట్? I will go to next is called what? Solve. Spell out. Solve. Next is called what? INV. Come on. INV. What is INV? Inverse. Inverse of a matrix. Do you know inverse of a matrix? Right. Yes. మీకు అన్నీ తెలుసు కానీ ఏది రాదు మీకు. You know everything, but you don't know anything. So ఏదో ఉంటుంది అది మాస్టర్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ సంథింగ్ ఇస్ దేర్. ఐఎమ్ నాట్ రిమెంబరింగ్ దట్. నెక్స్ట్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ ట్రేస్. Next is called trace. Next is called trace. Spell out. Trace. Next, like that, some more functions I will show to you. First, let me explain. These are the main important things. Don't think that all of them belongs to ALG. Some of them are belongs to others. Jack of all trades, master of none. Okay. Jack of all trades, master of none. అన్ని అన్ని వ్యాపారాలు తెలుసు కానీ ఏ దాంట్లో మాస్టరింగ్ లేదు. సో trace means Rajkumar. I will explain, my dear student. Trace. Already I said trace in the class. Principal diagonal elements are there or not? That elements sum is called a trace. Sum of principal diagonal elements are called what? Trace. Sum of principal. Eating something. Chewing gum. Don't take inside. Very danger. Eating something. No problem. Is it almond? Huh? Almond? Almond or chewing gum? Almond. Okay, very good. Eat quickly. Otherwise, other will feel that I also want to eat the same thing. Because in childhood days, when you carry the Kit Kat chocolate, next day you will ask your parent, I also want Kit Kat chocolate. So don't try to eat something. Eat python. At the end, you eat almond. Okay? Come. So, almond. Who is this? Come to the point. Okay, students, you people are very dangerous. Let me continue. You are disturbing. Because you are continuously eating means I am getting disturbance. If you want to eat anything, you sit in the last and behind the pillar, you try to eat something. So dot of, inner of, outer of, det of, sol, INV, trace, matrix underscore rank, matrix underscore power. I'll be using some sort of operations. So let's start off. Right. These are all, some of them, for example, trace is there. Trace is present into NumPy module only. Some of them are present into NumPy. Some of them are present into where? LinALG. So let's start the dot of. Right. So let me go to the dot operation here. So let me go to the dot operation here. So how simple it is. Now I'm going to explain in the class. Now understand this scenario now. So I'll go to this example dot operation. So let me start, because in the written test point of view, this question will come, students. How to perform, write a Python script or NumPy script to find the dot matrix, dot operation on the ND arrays. So ND arrays dot operation I already said to you. ND operation I already said to you. So that operation, something specially I'm going to tell. So try to follow me. Here I am going to take up linear algebra operations, import NumPy as NP. Now I am taking A is equal to NP dot array of, which I already said to you, students, 1, 2, and next is called what? 3, 4. This example I taught to you, I think so. 30, 40. This is called 30, 40. Close this part. And next is called what? B. I used to say B is equal to 1, 2, 1, 2, and 3, 4. This I said. Now I'm going to write it. Matrix A. Matrix A. Print of A I am saying. Matrix B. I will write it. Matrix B. I'm going to write it. There I'm writing here B. There I will write it. C is equal to what? NP dot, come on students, dot of A comma B and print of C. This is nothing but what, ma'am? All of you know, I think so. It is going to do actual matrix multiplication or not. So that will give you each element of the each value. This I already said. Just once again, I'm just showing the skeleton. That's all. 30, 40, and the value is called 1, 2 here. 1, 2, 3, 4. I am writing. So each row will be multiplied with which column or not? That is called what? Dot matrix, dot operation. So you got some result. I already said to you that result. So this is containing dot product, dot product on 2D, dot product on 2D. There I'm going to write it. So observe it. This is a result which we calculated already. This is known as what? Actual matrix multiplication. So this is an actual matrix multiplication we said. Now I want to go for same thing. Why I'm strictly saying this type of thing? Because you will be coming across the same examples as a written test point of view. Some of our students who are already appeared, they got this output example questions in the test. So I'm writing here 1 comma 2, 1 comma 2 I am taking. Next I'm taking here what you know 3 comma 4 I am writing. This is comes under what students? 1D. So content of A got it. Content of B I got it. Content of B I got it. And then dot I am applying. Content of C I am going to write it. Content of C I am writing, which is nothing but dot product on 1D. So how it is applied? Come on. How this is applied? Dot product on this place. How it is applied? 1 into 3, 1 into 4, 2 into 3. Right. Are you following me? Right. Now look at that. Answer if you follow me carefully. As I said to you, very, very important. 1 into 3 plus, come on, 1 into 4. Next is called what? 2 into 3. So 1 into 3 and here we got 11. 1 into 3 this one and next is called what? 2 into 3 and next 2 into 4. So it is going to give you something wrong. What is an operation here? This is 1, 2. Next is called what? 3, 4. Come on. Each row multiplied with what? Column. Start with 1 into 2 plus 1 into 3. 1 into 3 plus 2 into 2 into 2 into 4 plus, come on, I think that only. That only. 1 into 3 and next is what? 2 into 4. That is known as what? Dot product on what? 1D. 1 into 3 and 2 into 4. That is the dot product on 1D, which is going to be called as what? 11. That is the what is the 11 is coming. Dot product. 1 into 3 and 2 into 4. That is known as dot product. Are you following me? Next, one more example. Take this example. Here I am taking 10, 20, 10, 20. Here I will take it 10, 20. Here I will take it 30 also I will take it. 30 also I will take it. Here I will take it 4 comma 5 comma 6 I am taking. 6 I am taking. How it is done? Come on, answer. So the answer is going to be called what here? Comma. Comma. Yes. So here we are going to get it what? 10 into 4, 5 into 2, 30 into 6, 40 plus 100 plus, come on, 180. How much this is? 40 plus 100. 140 plus 180. How much is the result? Are you following this? This is known as which one? Dot product on 1D. This is a very, very important question. Dot is going to be coming on the 2D, but I already said it is a matrix multiplication. Once you come across in the 1D, you must go for element wise matrix multiplication, and sum of all of them is called dot product on 1D. Clear up? Right. Go to the next dot. You are getting it. Now I'm going to enter into where? Inner. Inner product, I want to go for it. It is an inner product, outer product we can call. What is an inner product? I'm going to give you the clarity here. Let us move to the further. Okay, let me go to the same place. There I'm having inner product. So I'm going to this inner product I'm going to take up. What is an inner product I'm going to apply? You need to follow. Take an array, something like A is equal to NP dot array of, I'm going to take up here, writing like this 1 comma 3, 1 comma 3, comma, I'm writing here 5 comma 7 I am taking. For example, this is called what? One 2D matrix directly I'm taking. B is equal to NP dot array of, what the value I'm taking there? 2 comma 4, 2 comma 4, and next I'm taking what 6 comma 8 I'm taking, 6 comma 8 I'm taking. Print both the matrices. Print the both the matrices here. Matrix A, matrix B. Matrix A, matrix B you print. Now I am going to implement matrix A, matrix B. Inner product, I want to go for it. Inner product. So here I am applying inner of. Inner product I am going to apply. How to do this? 1 into 2. Come on. 1 into 2. I am going to apply. 1 into 2. And next is called what? 3 into 4. Plus 3 into 4. This is not a dot product. Keep in mind. 1 into 2, 3 into 4. Next, 1 into 6. That is nothing but this 1 into 6. This one. 1 into 6. And next is what? 3 into 8. 3 into 8. Similarly, go to start with 5 into 2. 5 into 2 plus 7 into 4. Next, 5 into 6 plus 7 into 8. You need to take care. What is this now? 2 plus 14. How much? 3 plus 12 is called 14. 14. And next is called what? 6 plus 24. It is called what? 30. 30. This is 3 into 2. 6 plus 28. Come on. 34. 5 into 6. 30. 7 into 8. 56. It is 86. This is the inner product of two matrices. Inner product of two matrices. Are you okay? C is equal to NP dot inner of A comma B. A comma B. Now I'm going to write it. Matrix C. Matrix C. This I will tell you. I'm going to post the notes with the calculation part also. So inner product I'm going to take up. Inner product. So there I'm going to say C I will use it. So you are going to get it. Inner product 14, 30, 38, and then what? 56. Are you getting me? So how to go for it? How to go about it? 1 into 2, 3 into 4, 1 into 6, 3 into 8, 5 into 2, 7 into 4, 5 into 6, 7 into 8. That is known as what? Inner product. Compulsory question. What is the difference between dot, dot of 2D, dot of 2D, dot of 1D? Measure dot of 2D, anybody can answer it. Dot of 1D, little confusing. Try to follow. And next is called what? Inner product. Inner product is nothing but inner dot product. That is also going to be shown here. I think you are following me. Now I want to go for another kind of thing. I want to go for it. This is an inner product, you got it. This is for matrices level, I took it. If you want to take it, inner product, if you want to take it, this part if you take, I'm going to take it. Inner product, if you take it, here I'm going to write it. Inner. Inner, I'm going to write it. This is known as inner product. Inner product. So I'm going to write it. What is the value? 11, which is nothing but equal to what? Dot product of our concept of previous. So inner product with 1D and dot product with 1D are same. But inner product of 2D different, dot product of 2D is different. I think you are following me. Go to next one. I'm going to enter into the other kind of aspect. What is the next function we are having here? What is the next function we are having? Outer. Outer. This is also very, very important. Outer product I want to tell you. So let us go to the outer product here. So I'm going to take it outer product. Let me take an example. Outer product I'm going to take it. Start with A is equal to np dot array of, I'm taking the values as 1 comma 3 comma 5. 1 comma 3 comma 5. B is equal to np dot array of, I'm taking as what 2 comma 4 comma 5. 2 comma 4 comma 5. You can take the values, take 6. Already 5 is there. Say take 6. No problem. Even take even the same thing also. Like this. Take the value of both AB. Take the value of both AB. Here I am going to write it. Here I am going to write it. Content of AB, it is written. Now I am going to take it. Come on. C is equal to NP dot outer of, outer of, what is this? A comma B. What is this outer is going to be? Very, very simple. 1 is multiplied with 2 plus 1 is multiplied with 2 separately. 1 is multiplied with 4. 1 is multiplied with 6. Nothing but a big matrix. 1 into 2, 1 into 2, 1 into 4, and 1 into 6. Outer elements will be multiplied. Next is called 3 into 2, 3 into 2, 3 into 4, 3 into 6, 3 into 6. This is each element will be 5 into 2, 5 into 4, 5 into 6. These are the elements which are. So it is going to become what? 2, 4, 6, 6, 12, 18, 18, 10, 20, 30. These are the elements which you are going to get it. This is an outer product. This is an outer product. Very, very important. So print here content of C, outer product here. Content of C, which is called outer product. So in the bracket, outer product, I am going to write it. So here, close this now. So see this answer, see once the values which are going to come 2, 4, 6, and the calculation part also. In the notes, you will come across that matrix multiplication, that multiplication process, you will get it. Are you following me? So if I go for what? Outer product, this is with what? 1D students. This is 1D. This is 1D. If I take it, outer product for 2D, you try to take it. Outer product for 2D, take a small one. Take a small one. 1, 3, something like, okay, 5, 5, and then 2, you take it. Dot what? Reshape of 2 comma 2. Here I am going to take it. Something like, I will write it. Something like 4 comma, something like 2 comma, and 5 comma, something like you take it as 6. You take it as 6. Dot reshape of what? 2 comma 2, you take it. 2 comma 2, you take it. Matrix A, matrix A, matrix B. This is matrix A, matrix B, matrix C. Outer matrix I am taking. This is matrix B. There I am going to write it B. Next, outer of this AB, Matrix C. Hmm. Expect it. What could be the result? Outer product on 2D. Outer product on 2D. So, first of all, these two matrices you observe it and observe the result what we got it. So 2 by 2 means what? Each element is multiplied with everything. Start. 1 into 4, 4. 1 into 2, 2. 1 into 5, 5. 1 into 6, 6. That is called each element, one element is multiplied with all. Similarly, next 3 into 4, 12. 3 into 2, 6. 3 into 5, 15. 3 into 6, 18. Next, 5 into 4, 20. 5 into 2, 10. 5 into 5, 25. 5 into 6, 30. Done. Next, 2 into 4, 8. 2 into 2, 4. 2 into 5, 10. 2 into 6, 12. This is called which one? Outer product. How many products? How many products? And you have to tell from Python to NumPy level. Multiplication of two numbers, product of element wise multiplication, dot product on 2D, dot product on 1D, inner product on 1D, inner product on 2D, outer product on 1D, outer product on 2D. These are all called multiplications only. If you take any outsider, what is the product? What they will say? Multiplication. Multiplication and product is same, different. And Manol, what layman can think, both of them are same. Are they same? So how many products are there? Inner product, outer product, dot product. Are of them same or different? Inner product and dot product on 1D is same, but other things are completely different. You must be careful about all these things. Did you understand, students? Well, now I am going to enter into the further. Now I am going to enter into the further. So this is a 2 by 2. This is a 2 by 2. It will become as what? 4 by 4 elements it will be coming. It will become 4 by 4 elements. Clear? Right. Now I am going to enter into the further concept called what? This is a very, very important, students. Dot, inner, outer. Next, I am going to what? Let students who are in the online, you have to hold it at the end of the class so that I'll clarify your doubt. In the middle of the class, which is not possible to interact with you. At the end of the class, I have specialized session for you to interact. So you have to be there only. So if you waste your time, I need to overreact on it. It's a problem again for you. Vandana. At the end of the class, I'm talking daily now. So utilize my session. Let me move to the further. Next is what? Debt. Debt I will go for debt. Determinant I am going to take it. Start a determinant. So I'll go to this place. Here I'm going to use it. So finding, finding what? Determinant. Determinant I'm going to enter. So going to the determinant. So do you know determinant or not? If you don't know, I will explain. If you know, I will take from you. Do you know you don't know? Raise your hands who don't know. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Don't know? Okay. So thinking, why I don't know is thinking like. So you don't know determinant? Hmm. So you know, but why unnecessarily will ask some question? Why unnecessarily all these headaches like? Now coming to determinant, all of you. So determinant is indicated by something like this. Det of A. So matrix is called what? Something like 1, 2, 3, 4. This is my matrix. 2 by 2 matrix. You need to find the determinant of A. This symbol is called what? Determinant of A. So in general, when we are having, when we are having, I will go for here something like this. A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D. I'm going to take it. A, B, C, D. This is my matrix. You have to take it as what? Determinant of A is equal to AD minus BC. Already you know AD minus BC. So what is the AD value here? 1 into 4 minus what? 3 into 2, which is called what? 6. 4 minus 6 is called what? Minus 2. Minus 2 is the determinant of what? A. You know that? So simple. Coming to this place, 1, 2, 3, 4. Take it. A is equal to NP dot array of, come on, take 1 comma 2 comma 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4. 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 of what? Reshape of 2 comma 2. 2 comma 2. Okay. And matrix A I will print. Matrix A I will print. Matrix A I will print. So got it. Now I want to find the determinant. How do I find the determinant here? Come on. I want to find the determinant. To find the determinant, I will use it. Determinant of A is equal to NP dot det of A. Det of A. Now I am writing det of what? The matrix. Det of your matrix. Det of matrix. Matrix is equal to comma what? DA. So be careful, students. We are going to get an attribute error. So NumPy module has no attribute called getter. So this is supposed to test with what? NP dot lin ALG. Lin ALG. What is the lin ALG? Linear algebra కాదు మొద్దు బోబులు. Is a submodule in where? NumPy. So you need to write np dot random dot something we are writing lin ALG dot data. So you are going to get the answer as what? Minus 2.0000 some fractional points are coming. I think you are following me. So now we are supposed to apply on the rounding of the value. If you want, you can go for applying the rounding of the value even. Are you following me? Suppose if I take it here the same thing, if I go for taking negative values coming over there, if I write it here something like 4 comma 2 comma 3 comma 1, if I write it, you will be getting like this 4 2 3 1. Also same, I think so. So it is going to be 1 3 if I take it. 1 3 if I take it, it is going to be 4 2 1 3. It is going to be called what? 12 minus 2, which is called what? 10. 12 minus 2, which is called a 10. Are you following me now? Yes. So this is what we are going to get it, the determinant of this given matrix. Similarly, I will go for what? 3 by 3 matrix also you can take it. And how do you go for minimum knowledge is required in the at least 10th class level, right? So you are supposed to get it. What I'm going to apply here, round of what you can say 2. So you can apply the value called what? 10. Already you know rounding policies and all. I'll go to the next another matrix I want to take it. So I don't know whether you know this point or not. 3 by 3 matrix. Are you remembering the matrices now? So A is equal to something like this I am having, students. A 1 1, and what we learned in the mathematics, I'm just writing in a generalized notation. A 1 3, A 2 1, that is the second row first element. A 2 2, A 2 3, A 2 3. This is called what? A 3 1, A 3 2, A 3 3. This is my 3 by 3 matrix. Now I want to find the determinant for that. How you will find out A11 of this? First I'll start from here. When you take that part of this one, you have to take it as what? This part, and then this part you will take it. This part I will take it. Okay. So what I should write there? I will write it over there. A22, A23, A32, A33, A33. Next, plus or minus or? Minus or plus or? minus. Next is called what? A12. A12 means what? This part. This part and this part will go. What I should write? A21 and A33. A31 and like that. I need to write it. So I need to write it. Start this part. Come on. A21, A23, A31, A33. This is called this. Next, plus. Why there is a minus? There is a lot of meaning is there for that. I am not going to mathematics. There is a lot of meaning. Sir said minus, so you are also taking minus. Why minus? There is a lot of meaning is there. So let us start here. Come on, what is this now? A13 means I need to take this line close and this line close. Next, I need to go for this. Start. A here 1 minute ma. A13 of A21, A22, A31, A32, 32. And here I will write it. A11 of what is this? A22 into what? A33 minus A32 into what? A23. This part is a big calculation. You need to do it. After going to home, you take a 3 by 3 matrix and then what? AD minus BC formula this is. So 3 1 and into what? A23. Right. Next plus what is this now? A13 of what? A21, A11 into what? A32 minus A31 into what? A2, A22. Whatever it is, whatever it is. That you need to find out the product here. Some X value, some Y value, some Z value will come. And if you get it, that is the determinant of the 3 by 3 matrix. Are you following? So 3 by 3 matrix, you need to take it. Even it is a 4 by 4 matrix also, first what will come? Reduce to 3 by 3. That is reduced to 2 by 2. Finally, answer will be coming. Understand? So any big number is coming, which is so easy for you to calculate it. So now I am going to take it. Rajkumar, confusing, sir. Okay, better. So coming to the point back. Confusing means better only, I am saying. So go to the determinant of what is this? 2D. Determinant of 2D. So I will take it. Determinant of 3D. I am taking 3D. Now I will take one 3D matrix. So A is equal to, for Rajkumar again I have to 2. When he is in confusing state, my mind is diverting to Rajkumar only. What to do, students? NP dot LINALG. I will take one matrix. What I am taking? Dot what? Det of what I will pass? A I will pass it. Det of what? 3D I am saying. Det of 3D. Det of 3D. Before that I am writing what is A. What is A I am writing it. What I need to take in A? NP dot array. NP dot array or NP dot identity. NP dot identity. Do you know identity? Don't know, na? Tell us identity ante. So what is the identity will give you? Comma. D type is equal to what? Int. D type is equal to int. Identity matrix will give you what? 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. What is this now? If it is 1, quickly, what is the answer? This part. 1 into 1 minus what? 0. Directly I am writing. Plus minus 0. 0 means what? This will go 0 minus 0. 0 minus 0 plus this one. So what is this now? 0 and 0 minus 1. 0 minus 0 only. Yes, what is an answer? 1. 1 minus 0 plus 0, that is called 1 only. Are you following? No? Wrong? 1 0, somebody said no. Whether you are Madhu Baba or Myra calculation is wrong, I don't know. లాస్ట్ అండ్ ఫైనల్. ఇప్పుడు ఈయన కరెక్ట్ వస్తే కనుక బయట పంపిస్తా అతన్ని. 1 ఆఫ్ దిస్ ఇస్ ద 1 ఐఎమ్ టేకింగ్. వాట్ ఇస్ దిస్ నౌ? 1 1 0 0 డైరెక్ట్లీ. AD minus BC. 1 minus 0. This value minus 0. What is the answer now? 0 into 1, 0 minus 0 plus 0 into this calculation is gone. What is this now? 0 minus 0 only. Why 1 into 0? That is known as 1 is an answer. ముద్దుబాబులు మీరంతా. డిటర్మినెంట్ ఆఫ్ యూనిట్ మ్యాట్రిక్స్ ఇస్ 1 ఓన్లీ. మీకు అది ఫండమెంటల్ తెలియాలి, అది చిన్నప్పుడు తెలుసుకొని ఉండాలి. మీకు ఏమి ఉండవు చిన్నప్పటి గుర్తు, బికాజ్ యూఆర్ ఆల్ డిఫరెంట్ పీపుల్. సో determinant of 3D, data of 2D here, 2 by 2 matrix. This is 2 by 2 matrix. So here I got it is equal to, what is this now? Det 2D. So here you got it. What is the answer? 1.0. If you take it identity matrix, you know that matrix you want to print off it, you can say this part I already explained it in the beginning only. Matrix A, print of A, and then you execute it. So it is going to be printing like this. Now I want to take with the numbers, I will take it. With some numbers, I will take it. Take the numbers with the np dot array of, I'm taking the data as 1 comma 2 comma 3, 4 comma 5 comma 6, 7 comma 8 comma 9. I'll say dot what? Reshape of 3 comma 3. So there I'm going to write it. The value is coming in the form of negative. Negative number is nothing but what? Complex format it is coming. Because it is going to be giving some more negative value is coming. That's why this type of value. And the reverse I will take it. Here I'm going to take it. np dot this data, whatever is having here. And I'm writing colon -1 of reshape of it, I'm going to take it. I'm going to take it. Once you calculate, take a pen and paper and calculate, you will get this answer. Ensure that you will get this answer. Are you following me? So calculate it, you will get some negative number. A big negative number is coming. That big negative number is expressing in the form of what? Exponential format. Mantis and exponential format, which I said in the beginning days of mine. If we go to it in our classroom, float data types, if you come in the float data type, fundamental data types, under floats I said here, mantissa, exponent, how to convert it, already I said this entire thing. I think students, you take it. So if you take it, an example, if you want to take in the internet, determinant of 3 by 3 matrix, 3 into 3 matrix, 3 into 3 matrix examples, I'm going to write it. Matrix examples, I'm going to take it. So determinant of this matrices, I will take it. So take this data you remember. 2 minus 3, 1. This example you remember, I will try to write it. This answer you need to get it. Okay, what is an answer here? 49 they are saying. 49. Are you following me? 49. So I need to go for that 49. So here I will take, keep in mind, I will carry this. So go to this place. Here I am going to apply. Now I will write it. How many elements I will write it? Follow me. Here I will write. What is the data there? 1, 2, minus 3, 1. 2, minus 3, 1. 1. Next, 2, 0, minus 1. 2, 0, minus 1. 2, 0, minus 1. 2, 0, minus 1. 1, 4, 5. 145. 145. Okay. So now you execute it. This is my data. Reshaping of 3 rows and 3 columns. Totally 9 elements. And see this answer now. 49 is coming. 49 is also coming. Are you following? Like that, one can calculate negative value is coming, and you can understand that. If you want to round it off, you can say round it off. This part also you can say. Comma, what you can say? 2 digits. So you'll get the answer called like this. Even if you go to rounding off also, if you can apply it once you see rounding off this 2, you can write it. And you can also see the rounding of the value. Here you are going to get it. Minus 0.0 is coming. You try to do that and try to apply and keep this negative value. Don't try to round it when negative values are coming. Keep that values as it is, students. And calculate, take a pen and paper and try to do that. And are you getting or not? And you have shown the Google example, and you can take any one of the matrix, try to follow. This is the formula I said. These are school days times. So debt belongs to what? Linear. Now I'll go to one more kind of thing known as what? Come on. Next one is solve. I'm going to use a solve. So solve function, I'm going to take it. Take the values, solve. Take one mathematics formula here. 2x plus 3y is equal to 4. Now I'm going to take it. Something like 6x plus y is equal to 2. I'm going to take it. 2. Find what values? X and y. How do you do mathematically, students? Mathematically. So first try to equate this both of them or not. Try to equate. Either x terms you equate or y terms you equate. Anyone you can equate. Suppose you want to make this 2x is equal to 6x. Multiply the given equation 1 by what? 3. 3. So this is equation number 1. This is equation number 2. So 1 with what? 3. So what will happen now? 6x plus, come on, 9y is equal to 12. 12. Multiplying the total equation by 3. Next I will go for what? 6x plus y is equal to 2. Then after that, you subtract both of them. Subtract this entire thing. 6x gets cancelled. It is called 8y is equal to what? 10. 10. Y is equal to what? 10 by 8. 10 by 8, which is nothing but 5 by 4. 5 by 4. Are you following? 5 by 4 you can calculate. What is the 5 by 4? 1 point. Come on. 5. 4. 1. 4. 1. Dot. 0. 2. 8. 2. 0. 5. This is the becoming 0. This is 1.25. 1.25. What is the value of y? 1.25. Substitute that y value in these places. Substitute y value in any one of the equations. Either first equation you substitute or second equation you substitute. What is that? 6x plus 1.25 is equal to, somebody, Sonali left the meeting. It is coming in. Is equal. They are all out of, guys, disturbing the class. So here I will take it. So here I will take it. 6x plus what? 1y. Because they don't understand, they will get problem always in listening this class. 1.2 is equal to what? 2. What is this now? 6x is equal to, what is this value? 2 minus 1.2. X is equal to, what is the answer? 1.2 subtracted from this 0.8 by what? 6. Are you following me? What is the answer? 0.8 by. Come on. So some value will come or not? So 1.25 you remember. Here also you'll be getting 0.0 some value will be coming. You remember this data and remember this equation, all of you. Remember this 2x plus 3y is equal to 4. 6x plus y is equal to what? 2. Remember all of you. Because when I take it off, this data will be going. 6x plus 2x plus 3y is equal to 4. 6x plus y is equal to 2. Go to this place. Now here I am going to apply this data. So which function I am going to take it? Solve. Solve the following equations. Solve the following equations. Linear equations. Linear equations. Come on. What is the first equation? 2x plus 3y is equal to 4. Next, 6x plus y is equal to 2. So these are the two equations available. Then find x and y. Find x and y values I am taking. So how to find this? By using what? Solve function. By using solve function. Start here. You need to represent that values. Here what is happening? According to our matrices, linear equations and matrices are so related to each other. Here coefficients you take it, x coefficient and y coefficient you take it. A is equal to np dot array of I will take it in this format. See students, what is this format now? Here I am taking 2, 3, 2, 3. That is one first equation coefficients of xy. Second equation coefficients of xy. 6 comma 1. 6 comma 1. Automatically A is going to be called what here? 2, 3, 6, 1. This is known as what? Linear equation matrix I am representing. In matrix format it is represented. Then there is a constant values are there 4 and 2. P is equal to what I will write? NP dot what I am saying? Array of I am writing what is this? 4 comma 2, which is nothing but a constant values here. Constant values here. So constant values you are taking. And you need to find the value of what? XY. So how do you take it now? A. What is the value here? X, Y. If you multiply, what will happen? చూడండి మళ్ళీ ఈక్వేషన్ వచ్చేస్తుంది 2x plus 3y 6x plus 1y is equal to what? 4 and 2. 4 and 2. Are you following? It is something like what? A and then what? X is equal to what? B. Mathematics. Ax is equal to B. Ax is equal to B. What is x is equal to? B. A inverse. B A inverse. ఇవన్నీ 8th క్లాస్లో ఉంటాయి ఇవి. మీరు మొద్దు బావులు అయితే మనం ఏం చేయలేము అది. రైట్. ఇవి if it is rainy seasonal batch means it is not knowing all these things. It is nothing but how to find the inverse. How to find the A inverse. A inverse is equal to 1 by AD minus BC of D A minus B minus C. ఇవన్నీ స్కూల్లో ఉంటాయి ఇవి. They are all there in the school level only. This is called A inverse of that. If you product that, you are going to say what? X. Are you following me? This is the subject of it. Let us mention this data here. A and B I am mentioning now. So coming to this place now, I'm going to apply. Come on, say A is equal to NP dot array of, come on now, I'm going to take up 2 comma 3, 2 comma 3, or what here? 6 comma 1. 6 comma 1. You can write. You can also write the same thing as what you know, or I can say A is equal to NP dot array of, you can write it as what? 2 comma 3 comma 6 comma 1. 6 comma 1. 6 comma 1 dot what? Reshape of 2 comma 2. You can take like this. You can take like this. Okay. Next, B is equal to constant values. NP dot array of, I'm taking it as what you know, 4 comma 2 I am taking. 4 comma 2 I am taking. This is called like given equations. Are you following me? So this part I am taking. Now I want to go for solve these equations. That matrix multiplication, what is that? Ax is equal to b, x is equal to b into a inverse and all. There is a mathematically we do it. But here directly you will be getting result like this. See that solution is equal to np dot linalg of a comma b I am passing. I will print here as what? Matrix A, matrix A, matrix A I am printing. There I am printing A value here, and matrix B I will print. The linear equation is converted into this format, and then solution set I am getting here. Solution set. So this part is like this, and I want to print the solution set. How to print the solution set I am going to take up. So linear and then print of what is this now? Solution set is equal to, I will write it SOL. It will be coming in the form of one ND array. First value, second value, you will be getting it. Hmm? Dot solve. 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 So you'll be getting solve of. So I will write it first line. Okay. So here I will tuple format or what we'll see. This is the one you need to take care. So you are going to get it. That is 1.25. This is called what value here? X. This is called X. This is called what here? Y value. So that is 0.8 by what is coming? 6. 0.8 by 6. Are you following? That value 0.8 by 6. So if we go to the Python environment, if we go to the Python environment, 0.8 by 6. 0.8 by 6 now. 0.75 75 by 6. So you'll be getting that answer. According to our mathematical calculation also, like that I hope so. So that part, you are seeing the same resultant format here. And be careful, it is called which value here? What is this value we got it? These are called values we got it. First value, what we got it? First we got the value y. X terms cancelled or not? And this is called what value? Y value we got it. Because x terms cancelled it, y value only I found it. So this is the value x. This is coming in the form of which type? That is an important. If you print the type of solution, which I said you very important, ND array. Now you can print the ND array value called what? Here I can write it, comma, solution of what? 0. Solution of 0. Solution of what? 1. If I print it, you'll be getting separate values like this. Of course, float value, a large deep of values are printed. I can write it, solution set. You just hold on. I will write it, print x is equal to dot format of, I will write it, round off, dot format of, round off. What is this now? Solution of what? 0, comma 1. 1 I am writing. Here I am writing. Y value I am writing. Y value I am writing here. Something like 1 I am writing. This is a 2. 2 decimals I want to take up. So you are going to get it. The answer is called what? 1212 is coming. This is 1. 1. I need to go for 1. Are you following me? So if you want to go for 3 also, you can extend it. 3 also you can extend it. So you'll be getting the answer called what? 1.25 and 0.125. I think you are following me. So if you want to take it, any linear equations values you can take it. Go to Google once. I will take it as what? Linear equations. Linear equations, you go for it. Linear equations with 2 variables. So there I will take it. Go to some images here and take the linear equation values here. Calculate the results. Calculate some results here. So you are having 2 values here. 8x and minus 3y. Some values. X value minus 3, y value is what? Minus 7. So how do you represent this figure? So you need to take, remember, 8 minus 3, 5 minus 2. Constant values are minus 3, minus 1. Go to that. 8 minus 3, 5 minus 2. Solve the same thing. I'll go to this place. What are the equations? You will be getting this type of things. They will give the equation like that. Ask them to write the code. What is that? 8x minus 3y is equal to 3y is equal to minus, మీరు కూడా మొదబోవులే, minus 3, minus 3, minus 3. Next, 5x minus, మిమ్మల్ని నమ్మితే చాలా కష్టం అసలు, minus 2y is equal to minus 1. Find the values of xy. Start. Come on, fast. A is equal to np dot array of, directly I will take reshaping mechanism. 8 comma minus 3 comma 5 comma minus 2 dot reshape of what? 2 comma 2. Next, b is equal to np dot array of, I will take it as minus 3 and minus 1. Got it. And I will print the values of ab. All these things as it is I will write it. Here I will get it. Direct. Only equation preparation. Solve ab. How mathematically I solved it, students, I shown you. And that is only one thing. Cross multiplication format method is also there. You can go to matrix row operations and column operations also. Gauss-Jordan concept also you can use. Matrix. Cramer's rule is also there. There are many more operations. But nobody will ask, do it in mathematics in the company. They will, how well you are going to do it. That is an important here. So what is the value here? Minus 3.0, minus 7.0. Here, minus 7.0. And next is what? Minus 3.0. That is an answer is coming. Are you following me? So, like that, if you go on taking, 3 variables values also will be there. If I go to my place, here I will take it. With how many variables? 3 variables I will take it. 3 variables I will take it. So let us go to your images once and taking like this. So here I will take 3 variables here. X plus y plus z. X plus y is equal to 5. 2x plus z is equal to. So here this you do it. Answer ఉన్నది తీసుకుందాం. So that you can follow me. Answer related. Answer related లేదు ఇక్కడ. So now you will take this. Are you following? This you take it. When 3 equation results is coming, how to take up? This is the first. When 3 equations are there, 3 unknowns are there. 3 unknowns means definitely it is called which matrix? 3 by 3 matrix. Suppose one x is missing. In x place, what do you need to take? 0 you need to take. Are you following? So what is the next value here? Minus 2, minus 1, 3. If I substitute these values in this equation, you will get this result. You know this verification process. Mathematics లో 10 by 10 వచ్చినాయి, కానీ ఇప్పుడు ఏం రాదు కదా. ఫ్యాక్ట్ కదా అది. గర్ల్స్ మీకు ఎక్కువ వస్తాయి మార్కులు, ఎందుకంటే బట్టి కొడతారు కాబట్టి మీరంతా. రైట్, కరెక్ట్ బాయ్స్? ఎస్, నాకు కూడా తెలుస్తుంది. ఇన్ మై క్లాస్ వన్ గర్ల్ వాజ్ దేర్. If you give newspaper, she will buttify and she will write in the next half an hour. And like that. So don't feel, girls, first time I am criticizing you. Because good is good, bad is bad. Buttifying is also one great art, you know. One day I asked her, how do you buttify? Tell me the technique, I said. She said one technique. I applied in my AI topic, AI. In 4th year we have AI. I applied the technique. It's so nice. But I forget the technique. What is that? Now I forget. So buttifying is not correct. So shall we write this now? So I will go for this. Go to 3 equations. Solve the equations with 3 unknowns. So go to the place. Here I am writing 3 unknowns. Solve the following linear equations with 3 with three unknown variables. Unknown variables by using what function? Solve function. First one. What is the first one? X minus y plus z is equal to 2. 2. Next, 2x minus y. 2 minus 2x minus y minus z is equal to, yes, minus 6. Next, I will go to 2x plus 2y. 2x plus 2y plus z is equal to minus 3. Minus 3. Find what values? X comma y and z. Find x comma y and what? Z values. Find these values you need to find. Start up. Come on. Come on. Come on. A is equal to np dot array of, directly take all values. 1 comma minus 1 comma 1 comma. Suppose here students minus y plus z is there. What should I take in x place? 0. Suppose x plus z is there. What should I take y plus? 0. Minus 0 na plus 0 na, that is 0 only. It doesn't make any difference. Come on, next. 2 comma minus 1 comma minus 1. Next. 2 comma 2 comma 2 comma what? 1. 1. Dot what? Reshape of. Reshape of 3 comma 3. 3 comma 3. Okay. B is equal to np dot array of 2 comma minus 6 comma minus 3. This is the one. Close. And very simple. You will be carrying the same thing. Matrix A you print, matrix B print, linearly dot solve of. You will get the same to same. Up to here, preparation is only difficult. Rest of them are going to be beautiful output. What is the output is here? Of course, last value also I need to print. 3 variables will come or not. So I will write it here. The answer is called what? Z also. Z also. What is this now? 2. 2 also I will get it. So here I am getting 3. So minus 2, minus 1, 3. Are you following me? So the same answer is here also. The same answer is here also. Minus 2, minus 1, 3. Minus 2, minus 1, 3. Following? Right. Like this, one can go for your own linear equations. Something like something is missing, some values. Even you can go for a coordinate system also, you can use it. Here, values are like this. Here, values are like this. You can go for any of these diagrams, you can take, you can go for finding it. So, like this linear equations, you can take it. Like 4 unknowns are there. Definitely, we can go for what? 4 unknown values will be coming. That is called 4 by 4 matrix, it will come. Are you following me? So, like this, we can take care of it. So, how to increase memory power, sir, for remembering coding techniques? Who is this Aditya? Aditya, you do one thing. You answer my question. I will answer this question. How can you forget? First, you tell me that. How can you forget? So, if you tell that, the answer is simple. Are you following now? Done. So, this is about which function? Solve function. So, if this question is coming in interview point of view, will you answer it? Next, what is the next function? INV, inverse. Spell out inverse. So, I will go for inverse. So, fine. Look at, I'm taking 2, something like 3, 4, 5. This is a matrix, right? A. Now I want to find out what? Find A inverse. It is in our 10th class, 8th class. This is a very, very important. A inverse is equal to 1 by AD minus BC of actual general notation is like this, students. ABCD. ABCD. This is a matrix. A inverse is equal to formula. నాకు ఇప్పటికి గుర్తుంది AD minus what? BC. And this is called what? D. A. minus B minus C. This is the data. Start AD minus BC. Here, AD minus BC formula 2 into 5. Madhubavulu 10. 10 minus 12. Okay, AD 5. 2 minus 3 minus 4. 2. Okay, now what is this value? Minus 2. 1 by minus 2. 1 by minus 2. What is the answer? 5 by 5 into this value is there now. This is 1 by minus 2 students. This is 5 minus 3 minus 4 2. What is happening? Minus 5 by 2. Minus 5 by 2. Next 3 by 2. Next come on 4 by 2. Minus minus cancel. Minus 2 by 2. Minus 2 by 2. What is the answer? 5 by 2. Madhubavulu, come on. You need to be fast in the class because you are just intermediate. You already done in your intermediate. Ask is very dangerous answer. Come on. Minus 2.5. Next 1.5. Next 2.0. Next minus 1.0. Are you following me? This is an answer. You will get it. A inverse. Where I got the A inverse importance? Already you did AX is equal to what? B in our linear equations. X is equal to what here? B A inverse. B A inverse. That is nothing but what? B into A inverse. A inverse means what I will apply? INV function I will apply. INV function. It is nothing but a matrix multiplication only. How do I write it? NP dot of B comma INV of A. INV of A. Madhubavulu. INV of A. INV of A will give you what? Inverse of a matrix. B. Virginal matrix B. Dot matrix multiplication. Are you okay? Yes. So you are okay. So coming to this place, now go to the values what I took it. Try to go to that. Find what? Inverse. Find the inverse. Find the inverse of matrix. Find the inverse of matrix. Come on, take the matrix. A is equal to NP dot array of 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5. I took it that only now. Dot what? Reshape of 2 comma 2. Print of what? Matrix A. Matrix A. Print of A. So you got it. 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 3, 4, 5. I got it. 2, 3, 4, 5. I got it. So here 2, 3, 4, 5. Got it. Next I'm going to enter into this place. Matrix A. Print of A. You got it. Next I'm going to enter into how to find the inverse of it. How do I find the inverse of it now? Come on. I will take it. Print of what? A. Got it. Now I am writing here. Tell me. NP dot lin alg dot what? INV of A. A. Which I am keeping into B. So try to print inverse of matrix A. Inverse of matrix A. Print of what? B. So do you remember the values? So that is the values. 2.5, 1.5. So that is minus 5 by 2 that is. And this is 3 by 2. It is a 4 by 2. This is called 2 by minus 2. That is called like this. Are you following me? Like this you need to take it. I hope you are following me. So if I take it, inverse function once, if I take this one time, this kind of thing, this is the one you have it, you had it. So take it one time, this type of answer student. I'm carrying this case. Here I'm going to apply. Once you observe it, This is the data we got it. I think this result we already got it. Here I'm taking this values, matrix AB. Here I want to find the answer. What is this now? A and X is equal to what? చెప్పిన కదమ్మా నేను ఆల్రెడీ మళ్ళీ క్వశ్చన్ మార్క్ పెట్టారు ఫేస్ 2361 ఆఫ్ వాట్ ఎక్స్ వై ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు వాట్ 4 4 and 2 4 and 2. What is this now? What is this xy? Xy is equal to what is this happening? 4 2. That is nothing but b only. This is becoming a inverse. Other side it will come, it will become inverse. Okay. How do you apply? It is a multiplication part. What I will apply? NP dot of p comma inverse of this a, I will write it. Inverse of this I will write it. Come on now. So what is this? Solution set is equal to np dot of b comma b comma inv of np dot inv of a inv of a. So here I will print it as no attribute. Okay. lin alg. So dot here dot observe it. So you are going to get the solution set. Let me print the solution set. Which values I copied? Here I copied. Solution set you get it. Here I will print the solution set. Here I'll write it. So solution set is equal to solution set of, I'll write solution set of. So you are getting the answer like 0.5, 0.5 you got it. So 0.5, 0.5 you got it. B comma A. So I think correct or wrong? So values are these values. 6 comma, what are the values you got it? Something went wrong here. Solve of AB, AX, B, which is having dot matrix applied, matrix multiplication applied. You just print solution set without rounding, you print once and we'll see the result once. Close it. Try to run this data. 0.5 is coming. So this part 2361. Just a minute, student. I will try to, once we check manually, then we'll go for it. This is going to be called what? 4 2. What is this value here? This is called 2361. 2361. What is the inverse of it? What is the inverse of it? It is going to be 2 minus 18. No. Inverse means I need to 1 by AD minus BC. 2 minus 18. 2 minus 18 is called what? Minus 16. That is nothing but 2 by 16. 2 by 16, if you follow me. Next is called minus 3 by 16. Minus 6 by, no. So it is going to be AD na. AD means it is going to become 1 2 minus 3 minus 6. What is this value now? 1 by 16. 2 3 6 1. What is the inverse? 1 by 2 minus 18. 18. What is the answer now? 1 2 minus 3 minus 6. Minus 6. What is the answer now? 1 by minus 16. 1 minus 3 minus 6 2. 2. So coming to this place, what is this value now? Minus 1 by 16 and 1 by 16, 3 by 16, 3 by 16, next 6 by 16, and minus 2 by 16. And you have to multiply with what value? 4 2. You have to multiply with 4 2. Are you following me? This is a multiplication. What is the multiplication? This one, this row will be multiplied with each column. Come on, start with 4 into 1 by 16, 1 by 16. Come on, boys. Plus 4 into 6 by 16. Next, one more thing. 2 into 2 into 3 by 16 plus 2 into minus 2 by 16. 16. This is the data. What is the answer now? 4 by 16. 1 by 4. Oh, okay. 1 minute, ma'am. This is going to be what? 4 fours. Here it is going to be called what, it is known as what? It is simplest calculation, students. Don't get any tension here. You need to calculate. 4 4 ja plus what is this answer now? 4 into 6 by what? 4. What is the answer now? 7 by 4. 7 by 4. So it is going to be called what? 4 plus 10. 14 by what? 16. Muduvavalo LCM same. 4 plus what is this now? So how much is an answer? Minus minus 4 into 1 minus 1 by that's correct. So answer is going to come 5 by 5 by 4. Right, 5 by 4. Next is called what? This answer also 2 into 6 by 16. 8. 8. Next 2 into 3 by. And the next is called 2 by what? Next 2 by 16. 1 by 8. How much is the result? 5 by 4. Okay. Next is called 1 by 8 minus 1 by 8. Minus 1 by 8. Minus 1 by 8. So this will give you 5 by 4 means it will give you what? 1.25. 1 by 8 it will give you 0. I think 125 minus 0.125. So after going to home, what you do is you calculate this. What is the calculation you need to do? 4 2. You take this data, do the multiplication, and let us come tomorrow. We will do this kind of thing because we need to verify this type of formula, whether this is satisfying this formula or not. Okay, now, did you understand this case first of all? The only intention is already got the answer, only one testing process. That's it. A, B of what here? A inverse. This is only the process I am trying to tell you. Already we happy with first answer only. We are happy with the first answer only here. Already we got the answer here. Nothing to go for again the same answer once again. Already we got the answer in this case. Solve function. This answer we got it. This answer we got it. Only thing is we are trying to test with another case. Even I also will do after the class is over. I also will do the same thing. You also do it. I'll keep it on the top of it. Pending I will write it or solve it after going to solve it after going to home. So try to do it. This is not mandatory to take it. You can already solve it. Only we are going to test it with the equation format. That's all. Okay. And the next, when I come back to tomorrow class, we'll go for what? Trace. Or if you wait for 2 minutes, I'll tell you the trace also. Trace is going to be giving you what? Trace of that value. Go to the place. Here I will take it. Take one matrix. Here I am taking. Find this. Here I am writing. Find the trace. Find the trace of 2D. Find the trace of 2D. So there I am going to write it. Dot what? Reshape of 2 comma 2. 2 comma 2. Print of what? A. So done. Now I want to find the trace. So how do I find the trace here? I will take up. Here I will write it. Trace value is equal to np dot lin alg dot trace of. So directly it is np only. Trace of what? A. So what is this now? Sum of. So or I can say trace value is equal to trace value is nothing but principal diagonal elements are called what? Sum of principal diagonal elements are called trace. So what is the trace value here? Come on already. 2 plus 1 is called 3. 3. Take the matrix one more time. You take the matrix here 2, 3. I will write it 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. Dot reshape of 3 comma 3. 3 comma 3 comma. Yes, comma. You need to take it. Total how many elements? 9. So 10 already 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. What is the sum here? This values. 10 plus 50 plus 90. Like, so you need to find the 150. Are you following this 150? This is a trace. This is a trace. So except the calculation called what? Here. This part. Linear LG, this formula, all of them got it. This also you try to test it. You'll be getting it. Do peacefully, you'll get the answer. These points, I will upload the notes for you. And this example window also I will send you. Okay, now tomorrow I'll go for what? Sorting of rows and columns of matrix. And I'll go for universal functions. I will explain in NumPy universal functions. Right? Next, NumPy with the files also I will explain. A PNZ files and etc. I can say NumPy is over in 2 days. It is over like everybody. But when you learn all these things, you will get more knowledge. Right? Thank you. Take care. All the best. Online students, you hold on if any doubts are there for you. Online students, Sarita. Student name is Sarita. Student name is Sarita. So unable to take. Rafi. Student name is Rafi. Sarita. Rafi. Next, Vamsi. Student name is Vamsi. Okay. All three are unable to take. So any more doubts are there? So those people are unable to take my call things. So here, Anybody else is having the doubt? So most welcome. Last and final, Sarita. Nagendra, sir, writing Java book I saw in Amazon website. That was a very old notes, 2011. Don't take that because it was a 2011 very old version that is. Because I'm not taking Java sessions these days. Right, Durga Prasad. How many days are left to complete NumPy, sir? So it will take 3-4 days month, 3-4-5 days. Last 5 days. In the 5 days it will over. I will start the pandas. Okay, students, take care. Don't miss the next class. Very important.